There are a wide range of settings options available in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Knowing where to find these options is essential for effectively navigating your settings and making the most out of your ERP. Your settings can be found in the application bar at the top right of your home screen. First in the settings list is Personalize. Click this to enter the personalization mode and make edits to your home screen by clicking on the red icons. When you're finished with your edits, click Done to exit personalization mode. Next up are your profile-specific settings, available under My Settings. From here, you can access a number of essential settings, such as your role settings. You can also change your Business Central company and your current workday. There are additional options to adjust your geographical region, default language, and your time zone. This menu also gives you the ability to change when you receive notifications and choose whether or not you want Business Central to offer you teaching tips as you navigate the platform. You can also toggle the legacy action bar on and off. Below this, you can set the default location for where you would like your files, exports, and downloads to be stored. At the very bottom, you can see when your last login was to ensure there are no unauthorized sessions on your account. The next section in your settings pulls up your company information card. At the top, you can switch between edit and view-only modes, share the card with teammates, create a new entry, or delete the information in the current company. You can also add the card to your bookmarks or adjust the view by opening a new tab or expanding to full screen. The company information card contains several categories of information. In the General Information tab, you can view and edit the company name, address, region, contact name, phone number, and vital registration and ID numbers. You can even update the company logo by clicking on the current image, then dragging your new image into the upload box. Below the General tab is the Communication tab, where you can add a contact email and a homepage address. Next is the Payments tab. Here you can make adjustments to the company's bank information, including bank name, branch number, account number, routing number, and giro number. Below this is the Shipping tab. This information may be different from the address in your General Information tab. Below this is your Tax tab, where you can enter and access crucial tax information for your company. Last are your Company Badge tab, where you can change the color and style of your badge, and the User Experience tab, which shows your Business Central subscription level. One of the most useful tools in your settings menu is the Assisted Setup function. With Assisted Setup, you can browse a list of Business Central functionalities and get help setting them up to use your ERP to its full potential. You can also search for specific functionalities in the search bar at the top of the screen. To start setting up your functionalities, just click on one of the items in the list and follow the directions on the pop-up window. You may need to enter certain pieces of information about your company to complete the setup, so be sure to have relevant resources on hand. When you have successfully completed setup of a specific functionality, the checkbox under Completed will be filled in. To the right of this, you can access further documentation about the functionality and how to set it up, as well as a brief description. Next are your advanced settings. From here, you can access your Business Central extensions and external service connections. You can also examine the settings and behaviors that have been set up manually, as well as your automated workflows. One of the newest options in the Business Central settings menu is Page Scripting. This feature allows you to record the steps you take while completing a task or series of tasks in Business Central. Simply click on the Start New button to begin recording your actions in the Page Scripting window. You can also upload recordings from other users or previous sessions. Once the Page Scripting function is activated, the actions you take in your Business Central environment will be listed in the Page Scripting window in the exact order in which you perform them. When you're done, click the Stop button. While this covers the core list of Business Central settings, the Settings menu also includes a list of setting options that affect your broader Microsoft 365 account. Click View All to see the list of Microsoft 365 setting options. From this list, you can browse through options to customize your Microsoft 365 theme by clicking View All under the first 2 rows of theme options. Choosing a theme will change the appearance of your application bar. You can also adjust your default language and time zone, change your Microsoft 365 password, and update your contact preferences. These settings options open to your Microsoft 365 settings in a new window. You can also access your Microsoft 365 account information and settings by clicking on your profile image and selecting My Microsoft 365 Profile. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to navigate your Dynamics 365 Business Central settings menu. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.